We're here today for the 11th annual Young Escoffier Mystery Basket Competition. We have 38 teams across the state, so we have a ton of people here. We've got a lot of competition, and it's really going to be fun. So the Young Escoffier Mystery Basket Competition is very unique. You have a basket of ingredients. There's protein, and then some spices that are put in there, and then the mystery ingredient. You have to incorporate all the things that are in that basket into one dish.
They have a pantry of items to choose from as far as root vegetables and starches go, and they basically get those 3 items they have to use, and then they can come up with whatever dish they feel like. So it's really their time to shine. Definitely the most rewarding thing for me is just being able to see these students learn and grow. I love working with them and just seeing what they're capable of.
Watching the judging process itself has also been really cool. So being able to see them go through each plate, each section of the plate, tasting different things and actually being able to take the plate apart and look at it in individual pieces has been really interesting.
As an instructor, I love seeing the kids that really get it, and then it clicks, it's something that they go, oh, this is really what I want to do, and I love seeing that. That's my favorite part about being an instructor.
I think the best advice that I can give any student who's looking to pursue culinary school after high school is always be in a position to be willing to learn something new. You're going to be ever learning. This is a field where you'll never know it all. You have to understand that you're a lifetime student in this career field.
I think it's really important for students to get involved in culinary arts at a young age. The younger they start, the more they learn. And doing competitions like this just gives them a power shot of confidence.
It's more to have fun. When they come here to Austin and the environment is really loose and laid back, it gives them an opportunity to really be more creative.